Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a quick guide for anyone who's trying to play Back 4 Blood and is getting the sign in failed error. So it'll say sign in failed, profile service is in maintenance mode, and then it'll give you a long string of numbers, usually starts with a 7, and it'll just keep doing this on repeat. So solution is, first thing you need to do is restart your modem or router, wait for it to restart and check to see if it's working. If not, the next option is to go into Steam or whatever platform you're playing it on and do a complete uninstall, restart your computer and reinstall it. For some reason there's something in the latest update that caused the issue and it hasn't re-enabled after the beta, or it might be going on for a little bit longer, but for now a complete reinstall is the best option if a router restart doesn't fix it. So once you've done that, sign back in and it's good to go. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.